We'll look at the movement from Liverpool Central Platform 1 to the reversing siding and return to Platform 2. The platform's starting signal is a 3-aspect controlled signal Mike Lima 22, accompanied by a position light signal with route indication SG, providing a route towards the reversing siding. This is Liverpool Central South Junction. Maximum speed 15 miles per hour. Maximum speed to the reversing siding 15 miles per hour. We are entering Liverpool Central reversing siding. Train speed should be regulated to 10 miles per hour due to the presence of a timed train stop on the approach to the buffer stops. The reversing siding has a capacity for 6 cars.
Streetcar mark's fine.
We shall change ends. The signal protecting the exit from the reversing siding is position light signal Mike Lima 1015. The telephone on this signal is in an area of limited clearance. When Mike Lima 1015 is cleared with indication U, a route is provided towards the up Southport line. When cleared with indication D, a route is provided towards the down Southport line. Maximum speed to the down Southport 10 miles per hour. The next signal is a 3-aspect controlled signal Mike Lima 25. Maximum speed 15 miles per hour. We are entering Liverpool Central Platform 2.